Dialogue 1. Greetings.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great.
Hi, Tom. How are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm great.
Dialogue number 2. At the restaurant.
Hi, what would you like?
1 coffee, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Hi, what would you like? 1 coffee, please. Small, medium, or large? Medium, please.
Dialogue number 3. At the restaurant. Part number 2.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have a cheeseburger.
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have a cheeseburger. Anything to drink? Just water, please.
Dialogue number 4. Weather.
It's so hot today.
Yes, it's 35 degrees.
I miss winter.
It's so hot today. Yes, it's 35 degrees. I miss winter.
Dialogue number 5. Over the phone.
Is Marta here?
This is Marta.
Hi, it's John.
Hi, John.
Hello, is Martha here? This is Martha. Hi, it's John. Hi, John.
Dialogue number 6. At the bus station.
Is this the bus to downtown?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Is this the bus to downtown? Yes, it is. Thank you.
Dialogue number 7. Asking directions.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight and then turn left.
Thank you.
Excuse me, where is the train station? Go straight and turn left. Thank you.